Hello everyone, at ito na naman po inyong kapangarap at may announcement lang po ako for secondary teachers. Zero fee IQA for teaching qualifications in New Zealand. Yan, link is in comment section. Good luck mga ma'am and sir. Ito po yun. Yan, NCQA, zero fee IQA for teaching qualification. Yan. Find out more about the zero fee teaching international qualification assessment or IQA. Sabi dyan, there will be a zero fee teaching IQA intake from 9 a.m. New Zealand time on Tuesday, 13 August 2024. We will accept approximately 100 applications from secondary school teachers who meet the eligibility criteria. Only applications containing the requirements documents including acceptable forms of verification will be accepted. Ayan. On this page, sabi dyan guys, ayan, nandyan lahat yung details. At bisitahin nyo lang po itong NCQA at itong programa nilang ito at ilalagay po natin yung link dito sa ating comment section para mas maliwanag po sa inyo. Bisitahin nyo na lang po directly yung link nila. Sa ating mga good luck po sa ating mga secondary teachers dyan. Napakalaking opportunity po ito sa inyo. Bihira pong mangyari ito kaya samantalahin nyo po ito at napakalaking opportunity ito para sa inyo. Ayun, sana po nakatulong po ulit itong information ng inyong kapangarap about dito sa Zero Fee IQA for teaching qualifications in New Zealand. Napakalaking opportunity po ito kaya samantalahin nyo po. Ayun, hanggang dito na lamang po and God bless.